Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENZC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that line. I think I said line there, I meant link. So if you want to see the 30-minute time frame, go to that link, excuse me. Now, as far as the chart here, overall, the chart's hanging in there just like you would want to see it hang in there. And quote unquote hang in there is what I'm being and defining as that green line right there at 60 cents, which I've talked about in past videos. But you can see that today, the price did a good job of hovering right up above that area. So on that note, so far so good. That key level of support that you would want to see act as support. Not only is it holding strong, but it actually produced a little bit of a nice upwards bounce here late day. Now, does that mean that this is the start of something bigger? I mean, there's a lot more proving that the price needs to do, but I mean, it's definitely a step in the right direction, which brings about, okay, Clay, you said that the price needs to do some more proving. It needs to prove itself a bit more. So how exactly, can the price do that? In my mind, that first quote unquote proving point, if you will, is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average currently valued at the 74-cent mark. Meaning if the price can get up to that area and then break up above it, I mean, that doesn't mean that the chart's going to necessarily explode, but it does make it a more than valid and a more than rational suggestion to think, okay, yeah, maybe a bigger move is getting ready to take place. So 74 cents definitely going to be that main area of resistance in that regard. Again, not saying it's going to send it back up to the 90s, but it would certainly be a very impressive step in the right direction and just make it rational to now start to think that, all right, maybe the bulls are starting to show back up again. As far as levels of support, already talked about that. 60 cents going to be that first key level. In the event the price does go down there and can't quite hold above 60 cents, next key area of support after that would be that former breakout area down there at the 55-cent mark. So still one day left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.